Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix touchscreen on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. If your touchscreen is not responding, first of all, try disconnecting your device from the attached keyboard and then check your touchscreen once again. Then you can simply try to restart your device by holding down the power button until the screen of your device goes off. And after a couple of seconds, it will start turning on automatically. If it's not reloading, you can simply short press the power button instead. After your device is restarted, check whether your touchscreen is working, and if it's not, then of course you're gonna need to use either the attached keyboard or an external mouse to continue the troubleshooting process. And in such case, you're gonna have to open the start menu, then search for device manager, open this menu, then go to human interface devices, open this menu, scroll down until you find Surface touchscreen device, double click this option, go to driver tab. In driver tab, you have to tap disable device with your external mouse, then your touchscreen will be disabled for a while. Click enable device in the same spot and see if this worked and your touchscreen is working. If not, then you can tap uninstall device and click uninstall, and after that your touchscreen driver will be uninstalled and it will be reinstalled once you restart this tablet. So let's force restart it once again, or just restart it normally. Okay, and let it reload along with the drivers. And after the restart, your touchscreen should start being active again. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.